Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with an air fryer. This amazing kitchen gadget uses superheated air to give your food that irresistible crispy texture, often with just a fraction of the oil you'd use for traditional frying. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite dishes in a healthier way. We'll go over everything from setting it up to cooking a variety of meals, making your air frying journey simple and enjoyable. Get ready to transform your cooking. Before you start cooking, it's a good idea to preheat your air fryer for about 3 to 5 minutes. This helps ensure your food cooks evenly and gets that perfect crisp. When preparing your ingredients, a light spray of oil directly on the food is usually all you need to avoid spraying the basket itself. Remember, don't overcrowd the basket. Leave some space for the hot air to circulate, which is key to achieving that golden, crispy finish. Cooking in batches is often best. For consistently delicious results, remember to shake the basket or flip your food about halfway through the cooking time. This ensures all sides get exposed to the hot air, leading to even browning and crispiness. Always use a food thermometer to check the internal temperature of meats and poultry, guaranteeing they are cooked safely. And don't forget to clean your air fryer after each use. A quick wipe down keeps it ready for your next culinary adventure and prolongs its life. It's a simple step for great food. Your air fryer is incredibly versatile, capable of cooking everything from crispy fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and even some baked treats. Don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes and ingredients. Always consult your specific air fryer's manual for important safety instructions and cleaning recommendations to keep it running smoothly. With a little practice, you'll be whipping up quick, delicious, and healthier meals in no time. Happy air frying, and enjoy all the amazing dishes you'll create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.